How to share a website link. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, go to your browser and then search for any website. Like let's say this is the website you want to share and you want to share it using the URL. So in order to do so, you will see this two line and three circled less than angular bracket tab URL and done. Now whenever you try, now it will lead you in this interface. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.